Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add a logo in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, and then from here, we're just gonna add our logo or import it into our timeline. So in my case, I'll just drag it right here, just like so, and now I have my YouTube logo right here. So if you want to make this logo an overlay, like for example, you just want to put it here, so you can just click on your logo right here into your timeline, go into effects control, and then you would be able to edit the position or scaling of your logo right here, even your rotation, opacity, and so on. So in my case, I'll just make it right here. I'll just put it here. So let's say it is like this right here. And just like that, I now have my logo right here in my video, and then you can just feel free to scale it. You can position it however you'd want, and so on right there. You can even add a transition right here at the beginning. So right here, let's just expand this. So as you can see right here, I'm gonna right click here and then click on apply default transition. So you would have this fade in transition of your logo if you would want that, and then you can also apply it at the end if you would want this effect right here, the fade in and fade out effect. And then if you're dealing with a JPEG with a white background and then you want to remove that white background from that logo, then I suggest that you go and remove it first before you import it here in Premiere Pro, because it will be more complicated right here in Premiere Pro if you would remove it right here. So I suggest that you go for an online background remover before importing it here in Adobe Premiere Pro. And that is basically it on how you can put your logo here in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.